In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive how to free up storage space fast. If your drive is hitting its limit, this quick walkthrough will help you reclaim space without guesswork. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the main home view where all your recent files live. From here, look to the left sidebar and find the storage section. This area shows how much space you're using and what's taking up the most. Click Storage to open the detailed view. At the top of that page, you'll see an option to clean up space. Click that. You'll be taken to Google's storage management page, which brings everything together across your Google account. This is helpful because it highlights the biggest space hogs right away, so you don't have to hunt through folders manually. Next, choose Clean Up Suggested Items. Google automatically groups items that are likely safe to remove or that take up a lot of room, such as large files, old documents, and duplicates you might not need anymore. This page is designed to help you act quickly while still giving you the option to review before you remove anything. Now, pick the category with the largest files. This is where you'll get the biggest wins fastest. When you open the large files list, take a moment to review what you see. You can click an individual file to preview it, check the file size, see when it was last modified, and confirm where it's stored. If a file is shared, deleting it from your account typically removes your access. If you're the owner, it removes it for collaborators too, so double check before you proceed. Once you've reviewed a file and you're confident you don't need it, delete it. You can remove items one by one or select multiple files to clear space in bulk. If you change your mind, remember that deleted files usually go to the trash first and aren't permanently removed right away, giving you a short safety window to restore them. Items in the trash still count toward your storage until they're permanently removed, so keep that in mind as you manage space. Work your way through the large files category until you've cleared the obvious clutter. Then, if needed, return to the suggested items page and continue reviewing other categories the same way, always previewing before you remove anything important. By focusing on the biggest files first and using Google's built-in cleanup tools, you can free up space in minutes and keep your drive running smoothly.